Hi everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back. Hello everyone and welcome back. Hi everyone. Guys, welcome back to today's video. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to today's. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Shondra Headley, the creator of this channel, Shondra Headley. If you haven't seen any of my content on this channel, I do everything from in the beauty realm, from playing with makeup to reviews of different products and lifestyle and stuff. Sometimes I get real with my topics as well. I like to try different fun challenges and all that jazz. If you like the idea of seeing me do all these different reviews and beauty channels and everything like that, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And on that, I would like to say thank you to everyone who subscribed so far to my channel. We hit 100 subscribers and that is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching my channel and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!